What is the value of ratio V1, V2? It's given in the question. There are two bodies A and B which is having same mass value. So here we can take the mass as m. It's given in the question. The body A moves with a velocity of v1, whereas the body B at the rest position before collision. It's given in the question there is an inelastic collision is happening. It's known that whenever there is an inelastic collision, two bodies will collide and stick together after the collision and they will move with a common velocity. So here the velocity after a collision is given as v2. So here we can use the conservation of momentum. It's known that in a complete inelastic collision, the momentum is always conserved. So the total momentum before collision will be equal to momentum after collision. So here the momentum before collision will be equal to m1 v1 plus m2 times 0. Whereas m1 is representing the mass of object A. So here we said both is having a same mass. So we can write m v1 plus m times 0, which means momentum before collision is equal to m times v1. Similarly, we can calculate the momentum after collision. So the momentum after collision, we know that it's equal to m1 plus m2 times v. Whereas we have the same mass, we can write m plus m, and the v here is representing the final velocity. It's given as v2 in the question. So here we can write the momentum after collision will be equal to 2mv. So here we said already momentum before collision will be equal to momentum after collision. From that we can write 2m v2 will be equal to m v1. So from this we can find the ratio of v1 v2. So v1 over v2 will be equal to 2 here because m will get cancelled. v1 divided by v2 will be 2. So from this we can write v1 is to V2 ratio will be equal to 2 is to 1. So the correct answer for the question is option D.